With the holiday season just around the corner, I had some suggestions to build something festive. So today I'm going to gather some branches and sticks and build a DIY Christmas tree.
Start with a 2x10 piece of pine. Mark and measure to make your length and width exactly the same. Then screw them both together. Find the center of the wood and drill a hole. It's crucial for this to be as straight as possible before inserting the dowel. Then lay out your branches thick to thin. Find the center of your branch and break off any excess. Make a mark and drill a small pilot hole before using a bigger bit to reduce the risk of any splitting. Remount the hole so it's not too tight and slide it down over the dowel. Work your way up the dowel stick by stick until you get to the top. Take your time when drilling the smaller pieces as they can split very easily. Use a handsaw to trim off any extra dowel from the top. Then dress the base, add some lights, and you've got yourself a DIY Christmas tree.